You got IBM and LVS, SPLK, JPM, Dell to some extent. And that is about it for right now. PPI came out, that was in line. We got Atlanta Fed coming out later. We got wholesale trade coming out later. Of course, you know, the brakes could be put on the market. We're opening up in 8 seconds, given the ECB decision tomorrow. So, but we'll see how independently we move for now. And there's our bell. All right, what do we got coming in here? Markets holding exactly where they were. And SPY basically sideways. I mean, I guess if you wanted to argue, you could say that it's setting up for a zone long. Micron, that came off. IBM, that is coming off a little bit. I don't like how the DMI is really showing nothing here. There's Oracle, all my pre-market settings. Yeah, I don't think we need to jump in. We've come off a little bit. There's JPM. AbbVie, everything coming off here and basically to unchanged. I don't see this as wholesale selling, but we've definitely come off a few.